Alright guys, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking these Akrapovic exhausts off, and we will be installing these new Toce. I think it's going to sound so much better. But anyways, let's do a cold start before and after. Alright, and we will be back with the Toce on. Alright guys, so we got her done. Haven't started it yet, but let me just say, these things look so much better. Sat beautifully in there, and you can tell when you grab them, they are made of great quality. I would definitely recommend. So without further ado, let's see what it's like. Well, definitely not bad. I'm not disappointed.